Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to hide apps without root on your Redmi Note 15 Pro smartphone. To do that, we're gonna have to open security application on our smartphone and then scroll down, then even lower until we are in the Toolbox, and in the Toolbox select Hide Apps option, then switch the toggle next to the applications that you want to hide on your smartphone. For example, let's hide Netflix, and then tap Got it. And now to unhide the applications, we're gonna have to pinch out on the home screen. So once again, like this, not like this, like this. And this way we will have access to the hidden apps. We can also disable notifications for these applications by switching this toggle to the right, and we can enable app lock by switching the lower toggle to the right. Then we're gonna have to enter the pattern, tap next, and this will be the app lock pattern. Let's select not now. And basically that's how you do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.